Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can use highlights effect in your Instagram post when you upload. Okay. So this is easy tutorial and easy process. Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are friendly requested to subscribe to this channel. And if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. I'll show you the guide video in upcoming tutorial. Okay. So this is the Instagram apps. Just click on this. Click on this, and after that you are seeing the interface of Instagram, and go to this portion plus icon. Click on plus icon. Okay, then click post in bottom corner. You can see here post, and choose your image and resize it according to your image. Okay, I just fit it here. You can see the option. After that we have to go here, the right corner arrow button, click on this, and after that we have to go here, the edit button, the bottom side beside filter, click edit and scroll right, and then here you can see the color, this one color, click on this, and this is shadow, and we have to go highlights beside right part of shadow highlights. Okay, so choose any color among them, and if you want to increase and decrease the ratio, then you have to click twice. Okay, I just choose this one and click again, then you can see the ratio line will be appeared here. So I just increase or decrease my effects according to the image. I don't think so that this is good, and okay, and click twice, and this one, and I have also twice, and okay friend, I don't need to exact color right now. I just show you the tutorial. So after that you have to go done, click on the done button. Here you can see the option, this one part. Okay, click done and done. So this is your picture after applying the highlight feature. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today is no more, and thank you for watching this tutorial.